So PETG, it's great for printing dishwasher safe stuff. It's real strong. It's got great layer adhesion. But downside is you get a little bit of stringing. And if you're making food grade stuff, it's not really cool to leave strings of plastic there. So my little trick is to just run the flame over it. Just let the flames just touch it. And if you do it right, nothing will happen to the majority of the plastic. But the strings, they'll shrink away, burn, and merge with the larger part of the plastic, leaving behind no stringing. So there you go. Neat trick.